Good morning, students. Today we will study about Arrhenius equation. This will be the last topic of this chapter, that is chemical kinetics. Now let's start. As we are discussing Arrhenius equation, so we must know the equation which is follows. So the Arrhenius equation is given by this expression, that is K is equal to A E minus EA by RT. Okay, so let's understood what these terms are. Here A is equal to pre-exponential factor, EA is equal to activation energy, E minus EA by RT is equal to fraction of molecule that have kinetic energy equal or greater than A. R, you all know, it is simply the gas constant. T is the temperature in Kelvin, and EA by RT is equal to Boltzmann factor. So these are expressions given in this equation. Okay, now students, assume this as equation first here, that is K is equal to A E minus EA RT. This is our first equation. So taking log of this equation, what we get? We get ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT. Okay, and converting this, we get 2.303 log 10K is equal to 2.303 log 10A minus EA by RT. Okay, now dividing this equation by 2.303, we get log 10K is equal to log 10A minus EA by 2.303 RT. So students, remember this equation. Let me draw again. Remember this equation. Okay, from here this will be the straight line equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. From here we will able to draw the graph. Okay, now students, if we are talking about at two different temperature, or if two different temperature have been taken, then what happens? Look here, the equation becomes, for T2 temperature it will be log 10 K2 is equal to log base 10A minus EA upon 2.303 R T2. And similarly for temperature T1, log K1, log base 10 K1 is equal to log base 10A minus EA upon 2.303 R T1. So students, as label these equation as number 3 and this as number 4. So on subtracting 3 from 4, we get log base 10 K2 minus log base 10 K1 is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus bracket minus EA upon 2.303 R T1. Now further we get this equation, simply minus minus becomes plus, and we get log base 10 K2 minus log base 10 K1 is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R T2. Here it comes plus EA upon 2.303 R T1. Now proceeding, students, we have earlier discussed that formula of log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. So here the equation becomes log base 10 k2 by k1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R, taking EA upon 2.303 R common, bracket 1 by T2 minus 1 by T1. Or again, solving this equation, it became log base 10 k2 by k1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R. We are taken LCM of this 1 by T2 minus T1. It becomes T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. So students, this will be the Arrhenius equation at two different temperature when you have to solve the numerical questions from this. About 30% of question from chemical kinetics are asked from this portion, that is Arrhenius equation. Generally integrated rate equations and order of reaction, or you can say half-life period, from these topics the numerical questions are asked, but sometimes Arrhenius equation may be also asked. Okay, now assume this expression, that is log base 10k is equal to log base 10a minus EA upon 2.303 RT. So students, this will be the straight line. Okay, so a straight line equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So on plotting a graph, you can see here, on plotting a graph, what we will get, we will take log base 10 by log base 10k at y-axis and 1 by t at x-axis. So this will give a straight line, and this straight line will be given by slope, that is minus EA upon 2.303 R, and intercept will be of log A. So student, this is all about today's lecture, that is Arrhenius equation. Let's re-revise. It is simply given by K is equal to AE minus EA upon RT, and taking log and rearranging the equation, it becomes a straight line equation, that is log base 10k is equal to log base 10a minus EA upon 2.303 RT. And now when calculations are asked at two different temperature, the final equation becomes log base 10 k2 upon k1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R, bracket T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. And here you can see the graph, it is given as a straight line, that is at y-axis we have taken log base 10k, at x-axis we have taken 1 by t, and slope will be of EA minus EA upon 2.303 R, and intercept will be of log A. So students, thank you.